CMTS show 2025. We got a lot of interesting things happening this week.
CMTS is a big show for us because it brings together the Canadian manufacturers, and we are involved in many of these different industries around Canada. We want to make sure that they see the pride in Mitutoyo and our products are in front of them. I think a common misconception about metrology is it's a secondary thing. It's something you do after. So when you have measurement included from start to finish throughout the process, you help with scrap rate, you help improve processes, many different good pieces of data come out of that. It literally is saving you costs. That's the idea.
I work for a company called Hacksmith Industries, and we've actually brought our Fallout Power Armor to the Mitutoyo booth here at CMTS. So precision measurement and tooling is extremely important for building a system of this size, and Mitutoyo made it possible for us to get the precision we need to build something this cool while making it safe.
We've got gear measurement, we've got laser scanning, CMM demonstrations, vision machines, hardness testers, small hand tools. Our newest product in the line now is our QM Fit. The whole idea is that it's for an operator to be able to walk up, put a part on at any point, measure it, get quick measurements, get them out.
The quality and reliability that you've come to know about our small tools and hand tools can be seen across all of our product lines. If you want to learn more about Mitutoyo, please visit us on our website at www.mitutoyo.ca or send us an email at info@mitutoyo.ca. We'd be happy to help.